people who have never done their own laundry, doing it for the first time can be a real experience. Sometimes when students go away to college and live on their own for the first time, it's also the first time they're faced with doing their own laundry. Sometimes a helpful mom or dad will give their son or daughter directives before they leave home. Sometimes a roommate provides helpful suggestions. College students quickly learn how to sort clothes by color, what can and can't go in the dryer, when to use bleach, and when to avoid it, and other helpful hints that will keep their clothes looking nice. It usually only takes one load of pink underwear, and most folks catch on, realize what they did wrong, and they don't make the same mistake again. Once the basics are mastered, doing the laundry becomes a piece of cake.